Invoice processing in any organization occurs throughout the year, with peak times during month and year end. This can be a stressful and resource-intensive process. Quite often, the team members that are receiving and submitting invoices for payment are not team members who have a financial background, which can lead to errors in processing that bring with it an element of risk. The finance teams that are tasked with monitoring the process are required to check the details of forms and rework any issues, often during the busiest times of the year. As you will see, it can be a straightforward process to automate this task, to read invoices that are attachments in an email and process them with Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. This enables the finance team members to focus on higher value tasks. We have chosen a scenario that tests the ability for robotic process automation bots to monitor an email inbox, open emails, and read the file attachments to extract the data held within them. This scenario can be updated to log into any finance platform, and with the extracted data from the invoices, input them efficiently and without mistakes. As you would expect, invoices are sent through in differing formats and layouts, but all with the key data fields you would normally expect on an invoice for processing, such as the invoice amount, company name, invoice date. These fields can all be set during development of the script. The RPA bot moves through each invoice, extracting the data and, in this scenario, entering the data into a finance platform to be approved for payment and storing the data for checking. The bot also sends an acknowledgement through to the person who sent through the invoice, advising the invoice has been processed, allowing for a better client experience. Invoice processing normally comes with its own risks of correct data entry, missed invoices that are late, and normally during times in the financial year where teams are busy. This script was produced within 2 days, from defining the requirements through to development and testing. Realizing the benefits of automating a process within the finance space is straightforward and removes the repetitive nature for finance teams during busy periods. And when non-finance trained team members are submitting invoices for payment, it reduces risk in input and rework for the finance teams. You can appreciate how many invoices are received within your organization and factor in the numerous resources that handle each one, from initial receipt to processing and sending through confirmation to the recipient. Then you can start to see the time saving to your organization. This is just a simple example of the benefit of robotic process automation and gives you a good view of the potential to your business. Should you wish to discuss your up-and-coming requirements or would simply like to discuss how we may provide value to your organization, you can contact us at info@ajq.com.au or visit us on LinkedIn.